Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best Stremio add-ons that you should use in 2026. Let's start with number 1, Torrentio. This is the most popular Stremio add-on right now. It provides streaming links from multiple sources and gives you high-quality options like HD and even 4K. It works very fast and is perfect if you want smooth playback. Many users also connect it with Real Debris for even better performance. Now moving to number 2, Watch Hub. This is an official Stremio add-on and it's very useful. It doesn't stream content directly, but it shows you where a movie or series is available, like Netflix or other platforms. It's great if you want legal and organized streaming options. At number 3, we have MediaFusion. This is an all-in-one add-on that combines multiple content sources in one place. You can find movies, TV shows, and other content easily. It's very powerful and mostly used by advanced users who want everything in one add-on. Next is number 4, OpenSubtitles Pro. This add-on is a must-have because it provides subtitles for almost every video. It supports multiple languages, so you can enjoy content even if it's in a different language. It works with most add-ons and improves your overall viewing experience. And finally, number 5, Anime Kitsu. If you are an anime lover, this add-on is perfect for you. It provides a huge collection of anime content, including popular and trending shows. It's simple to use and very useful for anime fans. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.